Hey everyone, Adam Oldfield here, president of Vacuum and Furnace and Duct Cleaning. And the question I've been asked by many, and I thought I would take the time, is if you're filing your first time return or you're filing a ongoing return, well, here's how you do it. We're going to go to the Ontario Business Registry and we're going to click the link, and I think it's the sponsored one, so it should take you to the same place. Once you're on the page, you're going to see number 8 in the drop-down list. Again, this video is being recorded in 2023. It may change, so just FYI. You're looking for something that says annual returns if it's in the future. Annual returns will drop down to this page. You'll see this blue button. Click it. Access your corporate profile. It's now going to take you to a page where you needed your OneKey ID. This is something you would have had to set up way back when you registered with the Ontario Services. So make sure you have that key. That's a separate video completely that you'll need to go through, and I have another video for that. Now, once we sign in, assuming you have your OneKey ID, it's going to take you to a general page that looks like this. Now, it will have a history of activities. It will show when you've enrolled, if you've enrolled in the service or otherwise. So if you get to this homepage and it doesn't sign you directly in, what you need to do is access Ontario Business Registry. Give that a click. This is where it will now have your information, your company, your details, your registers, your dates, and all of that. Now, if it's the first time, you're going to click Make Changes. You're going to see a drop down come down, and these are all of the elements you would need to do if you're an Ontario incorporated company. In this case, file an annual return is what you're going to do, whether it's filing an ongoing one or your first one or a past one. So I'm going to click it. Now it's going to take you to an area where you're going to choose your annual return. So I do a drop down. I can see all the years going to 2000 that you could do your filing online based on if you need a file. So in this case, I'm going to do one for 2022. This is where you can make changes about your business or otherwise. So once you enter in your official emails, your details, save and continue. You may notice it's a little lagging, folks. It's saying processing. Just be patient. It's not a fast website. I guess a lot of people are filing their returns. Next, it's going to ask you if you want to change your head office. There's a little plus down. If you just want to double check, you can make any kind of changes that you may have noticed are in there. So mine's fine. I'm going to keep going. Next, make sure you double check to make sure directors are associated and linked. It's just going to keep you going through all of these confirmations that one of the directors is signing off on it. Oh, I realized as I was going through my sample, if it isn't all approved, you'll see check boxes and warning signs. I have a little cautionary. So let me go to my progress. We're going to go take a look at that address. Okay. Obviously, it looks like the address has changed. I'm going to cancel because I obviously thought I was going to make some changes. So let me go save and continue. Okay, so we can see I got my check boxes. I'm now going to go over to my officers. Looks like we still have to confirm information there. All right, I am now in the officers area. Nothing's changed. It's obviously got some questions. I just needed to make sure that everything's good. I'm going to save and continue. All right, so from here, I now need to select from the directors of who is going to be associated. I'm going to assign myself. I am certified to make these decisions. And to make decisions moving forward, I'm going to save and continue. Okay, so now I can go over and you can review all of the details that say complete, 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 directors complete, everything looks completed. If there's an issue, you'll see a warning. Now you may want to generate a PDF to save for your files. And then if you'd like, you can generate a PDF for your files. It just more or less has all the information of what's being done and what's being changed, so you can keep a record of that, save it somewhere, put it in your minute book. And then once you're done, we're going to click Submit for an actual review. So that's it. That's all there is to file your annual returns. Primarily, it's just a document of identifying directors, officers, and locations, addresses, and things are currently updated. Now it's been filed. My official business registry has now been registered. I will then get an email. I've received an email confirming that the system has been filed and processed. That's it. That's all there is to do. But it is important. You have to do that. This is a regular thing if you're incorporated in the province of Ontario. And that's it. Once you have your email and everything's registered, you're all good to go. You'll get the confirmation. There's nothing really more to it other than validating your annual filed returns. That takes care of that procedure for you. Very simple, very easy once you actually can get in. My name's Adam Oldfield. I am the president of Acumen Furnace and Duct Cleaning. And make sure to tune in to 900 CHML every week at 11:30 a.m. I join Bill Kelly and we talk all things technology. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I certainly hope it helped. Subscribe. I usually do a lot of these little videos for us small little business operators. Take care.